For decades, we chased GDP, a number blind to pollution, burnout, and broken systems. But what if true progress wasn't about more, but about better for all? As global leaders remind us, we're moving from GDP to GEP, gross empowerment of people. Quietly powering this shift, circular finance models, money that never dies. First, redefine value. Profit means empowering people through access over ownership. Second, reinvest in roots, funding loops that heal land and livelihoods. Third, release potential, fueling women-led circular innovations. GDP measures toxic output. GEP measures clean air access, dignified work, intergenerational care. This isn't new tech, it's Dharma remembered. Take only what nourishes. Return what heals. Where true growth means a child breathing clean air, a farmer loving her soil, forests standing tall. Circular finance moves mountains. Share this with one person, rethinking progress.
Mm-hmm.